Welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna go over some of the adapters, okay, for your MacBook, your MacBook Pro, or your MacBook Air. And then for the newest MacBook series, they use this USB Type-C adapter to connect it to your HDMI, either your gaming monitor or to your TV, okay? So this is a new and latest one. And then this one is the mini display port to VGA. They also sell this mini display port to DVI or the HDMI connection, okay? So this one must be the oldest one of all. This one is the mini DVI to VGA monitor. So let's go and then go over real quick. So this one is the MacBook Pro. You want to check on the side panel for the connection right here. So here's your mini display port right there. Then you will need to use this adapter. Make sure the monitor icon is on the top. And all you need to do is just connect this to here. And then this one over here, you will require a VGA cable to connect this to your monitor. Or if you have a DVI port, then you will need to use a DVI cable or HDMI cable if you have a HDMI connection right here. And then this will be the same thing that go with this one. Like that. Oh yeah, I got the mini display port to VGA. Let me get that adapter for you. This one is the mini display port to HDMI. All right, just like that. And if you have the MacBook Air, it is located on the right hand side when you open the MacBook Air. So it's over here. Okay. So if you guys have a new and latest model of MacBooks, either Air, Pro, or regular MacBook, they require this one, the USB Type-C to your HDMI connection right here. So I'm just going to show you guys real quick how I connected this MacBook Air to a TV. So it is similar to your gaming monitor. Alright, so as you can see that the black HDMI cable is connected to my TV. So I'm going to disconnect from my cable box right there. And then I'm going to connect this directly to my MacBook or MacBook Air or MacBook Pro by using the mini display port to HDMI, okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go and then connect this. And then we're gonna turn on the TV now and then show you guys. Alright, so anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.